Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial of Odoo POS Auto Invoice Generation app by BrowseInfo. Basically, this apps automated your POS invoicing process in Odoo. This app auto creates the invoices for the every POS order as soon as it's placed, seamlessly syncing with the Odoo account. You can choose to download, email, or both, and even schedule the invoice emails using the cron jobs. It supports the full automation for the faster and the smarter billing. So here I have already configured the database, and for the first step you have to navigate to the settings, and under the point of sale you can find the configuration for the POS auto invoice generation. So here for the first configuration you can see the option for the invoice to auto check. So it will allow the auto print invoice, or it can be the disallow if you don't want to print the invoice. So here we have another configuration for the button operations. So if we select the download and send the invoice by email, so it will work as it will auto download the invoice and send the mail to the customer. So after that we have another option, send it by email cron. So we can select it as we want, per minute, per hour, per day, or per week. I'm here selecting it as per minute, and I'm just clicking on the start. So after that I'm just going to the point of sale, and I'm just continue with this, and I'm just selecting the two products and selecting the customer. And when I click on the payment, you can see the invoice is auto generated. I'm just selecting the payment method and going to validate it. So here you can see the invoice is downloaded automatically, and it will invoice is created here also. And if you want to send the email to the customer, so you just have to click on this button, and you can see the invoice is successfully sent to the customer. I'm just selecting this here, the chain. So you can also see the stage of order is also moved to the invoiced stage, and all the details are reflected over here. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions and doubts regarding this video, so you can mention it in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the BrowseInfo's YouTube channel for more Odoo related demos and tutorials.